Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle.
For easier access, remove the air filter intake vent.
Remove the rivets. Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
So the next step we need to do is we have this daytime running light bulb that kind of runs up here, and then there's a bunch of like trim.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Remove the bolt by turning it counterclockwise.
Basically, we can kind of just lift up on this now. There's a bunch of clips that kind of hold this on. So we want to kind of see how that came loose there. Lift that up. We'll kind of come back here, and this whole piece of trim is going to come off. So we want to pull basically all the way off, and then again, you can see there's kind of these clips here that are going to just kind of pop off, and we can get that entire piece right off. So here's our one daytime running light along with the trim piece that we kind of took off. Now, what you want to do is kind of locate where the light itself and the trim piece connect, and we're just going to flip it over like this. And if you look, there's essentially two Phillips head screws here, and all we have to do is just unscrew these. You will have to put this new trim piece onto your new light if you are replacing this light. And then you can see that basically is going to separate real easy for you. Now you'll have your trim piece and then your light, okay? And then with the new light, you're going to have to put the trim piece on there. So basically all you got to do is kind of just line it up here. It's pretty easy to line up. Just kind of follow the light, kind of goes into the trim there. We'll flip it over, and then basically all we got to do, you will have to kind of hold it here, it looks like, until you at least get one of these screws in. But then we'll just put these
Replace the screws by turning them clockwise.
you can see our trim pieces on our new light, all good to go, and now we can put it back on the car.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the bolt by turning it clockwise. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise. Replace the rivets. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place.
Replace the air filter intake vent. Align the vent and pivot it into place.